Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your home and enjoying the online classes from LPM Public School. And students, this is Akanksha Pandey from LPM Public School. I am your subject teacher of science. And students, as we know that your chapter number 7, the name of this chapter, the parts of a plant is in proceeding, and the all lecture related to this chapter are over, and the all exercise related to this chapter has been solved by ourselves. And now today I am going to explain about the some word meaning related to this chapter. As we know that in this chapter there are many difficult words are given, so it is needed by you the some word and explanation. So students, let us see the some word and the meaning of the word. First word is edible seed. Edible seed. What is the meaning of edible seed? Which types of seed known as the edible? Seeds that can be eaten by us. Which seeds that can be eaten by us? As like rice, grains, pulses, etc. So these are edible seeds. And as we know that there are many types of spices are also edible seeds. So students, means of edible seed is seeds that can be eaten by us. And now next is germination. What is the process of germination? What is germination? As we know that the process by which the seeds grow into a new plant, that is called germination. Spelling of germination: Germination. And the meaning of germination is the process by which a seed grow into a new plant. And third, function. Spelling of function: Function. And the meaning of function is purpose, and also this is the synonyms of a function. Spelling of purpose: Purpose. Now repeat again. Spelling of purpose: Purpose. And next is surface. Surface. The meaning of surface is outside part of something. It means the outside part of a something is called surface, as like the earth's surface. The earth's surface means the upper layer of earth, that is called the earth's surface. And the meaning of surface is outside part of something. And students, next is veins. What is veins? Veins is also a part of our body. It is very important parts of our body, and one of the tubes which carry blood from all parts of your body. Veins is the tube which carry blood from all parts of your body. So veins carries the blood and distributed in the all parts of our body. And next is prepared. The meaning of prepared is to get ready. Be ready, or to get ready. And last word is below. The meaning of below is a lower position or level. The meaning of below is a lower position or level. And now repeat again, and let us describe each word. First is edible seeds. Means there are different shapes, size and colors of seed. We eat seeds of plants such as wheat, gram, corn, rice and bean. Such seeds are called edible seed. And students, spices such as mustard and cumin add flavor to our food, so they are also edible seed. What is the example of edible seed? As like the wheat, gram, corn, rice and bean, and the all spices are also. And the germination. When students listen carefully, when a seeds get the right amount of air, water and warmth, it grows into a baby plant. The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. Students, the new plant needs air, water and light to continue growing. And third is function. Function, it means purpose. As like the function of leaf, function of root and etc. And the surface. Surface is the outside part of something, as like the or upper layer of the earth is called surface. And veins, you can also feel in your body a large number of veins in your body, and the one of the tube which carry blood from all parts are called veins. And prepared means to get ready, and the meaning of below is a lower position or level. And students, as we know that there are some words are given, and students, you have to complete in your CW and HW copy also, okay? And take care till then. Now goodbye, we will meet again in my next video.